All right, once again, everybody, good morning and welcome right here to the live trade session and stocks to watch brought to you by F1 Academy and TED System. Now, we want to check whether you guys can hear my voice. Once again, everybody, good morning. Okay, I think you guys can hear my voice. I check already on my second screen right now. Okay, so before we get started, we just want to check with all of you right here today. Hopefully, you guys can hear me today. Guys, if you can hear my voice, you can see my screen right now. Go ahead and type on the chat box, say yes, you can hear me, you can hear my voice right now. Today is the 23rd of August. How time passed so quick right here. It's almost coming to its end of August already. So we have a lot of things right here that we want to share with all of you. Now, before we get started right here, once again, everybody, good morning right here, a live press session with me right here as in Constantine. And first of all, let me check with you, some of you, if you can hear me, you can hear my voice. You can see my screen right now. Go ahead there and type in the chat box, say yes, you can hear me, and tell me early morning today, where are you listening me right now? Okay, go ahead and type in the chat box so that I know. Okay, guys, can you hear me? So just type in the chat box. I just need to have some few feedback from some of you right here today. Okay, those who can hear me, go ahead and type in the chat box. Okay, in the meantime, just right here, just want to check with some of you on the Telegram. Okay. All right. Okay, so we are waiting for some of you right here, still about to join me live right here. Okay, so we are waiting for some. Today we're going to watch the market right here. Nina Ibrahim say yes, can hear loud and clear. Okay, that's good. So Nina is right now still in Kelantan, so hope you enjoy your happy holiday right here in Mubarak. So quick say good morning, can hear. Okay, that's great. So I see some of you already give me a feedback right here. Okay, once again, everybody, good morning and welcome right here on the live trade session and stocks to watch. Today is 23rd of August 2018. I'm going to be with you guys from 8:45 a.m. until 10 in the morning, and I'm going to share with you a lot of great stuff right here. But today, there's a lot of things that we want to see what exactly happened to the market, what do we need to do, and hopefully, if we get a chance, I'm going to share with you some pre-announcement right here, what we're going to have. Awesome things going to happen in September. But anyway, right here, I just want to wish for those who celebrating Eid Mubarak yesterday or Aidil Adha on behalf of F1 Academy and all the chat team right here, we want to wish to all our Muslim friends Selamat Hari Raya Aidil Adha. So some of you just on the way to coming back again to work. So today our local market will open as usual. Okay, now beside that right here, I just want to share with all of you what is the outlook for what is the market is closing on the last Tuesday. So on the 21st August, the gainers is 378, the loser is 549. So our Kuala Lumpur Composite Index, our Bursa Malaysia market have a holiday on yesterday. So hopefully you want to see what kind of momentum we can bring right here on Thursday. So last Tuesday as well, the turnover is 2.3 billion and KLCI up about 10.53. Very interesting. In Mega Index right now is at 1798. Okay, now I'm going to share with you as well the chart that I see right here. What exactly happened on our local index, especially the blue chip counters right here. So you guys can see on my screen right now, this is the index reading currently right now. The interesting part about our index right now is, if you guys can see right here, that the index is already moved above, okay, like you guys see here, is moved above the EMA 200. It show that our index already right now in the bullish zone right now. It's in the bullish zone. If you guys see right here on the 7 May after the new government take over, the our index is plunged down and tumbled down, and right after that, at this area right here at 1660, look at that, the index start to rebounded. So some of them say that this area is more like cleaning process. So that means the government have to do their job for 100 days. The new government have to look for what necessary to improve. But for me right here, personal opinion right here that I see here, this rebound is quite healthy, means that the cleaning up process is already done, stabilization process is already kicked in, and right here that you guys can see here, the index start to move up. It showed that the foreign investor already start to be confident right here on our local index, and also right here investors start to see that Malaysia once again possible to become the tiger of Asia again. So this is the brilliant things that we see right here with the new coalition in the government. Tun Mahathir once again make a lot of surprise right here for Malaysia economy and market right here. So another things right here that you guys can see right here, the EMA 20 and it's already crossed over the EMA 50. This is a golden crossover right here. So another bullish things right here that we see. Beside that, we see also total atom duct. It continues showing the momentum going up high. So right now we can see the next resistance is about 18124, the local index, and we are waiting right here if it is possible for the Kuala Lumpur Composite Index to break the historic high of 1895. If this one can be break, that's mean Malaysian market right here will continue its bullishness. Now, I want to share with all of you right here that even the whole world market right now was surprised by a lot of historical high. I'm going to share with you shortly what exactly Sifu Fred Tom is watching the market and how he view currently. So based on this index right here, we are welcoming back the bull in our market. All right. So okay, so beside that right here, I just want to share with you before we get started right here what else news that we received right here. Okay, so so the world outlook right here that we are looking at, US and China, they are plot to roadmap for meeting between Trump and Xi to resolve trade disputes. Last 2 weeks ago, few weeks ago, the world market was tumbled a little bit because of a Turkish lira. Okay, so this is the it has to be impact. So there's a joke right here. If you guys see the investing.com saying that the Turkish lira right here and also China right here, this could create the perfect storm global financial market. So some of them predict that if these two continue to have big problem right here, that will create a big financial crisis right here. But again right here, this is what they predict. As we are the chartists right here, we are looking in the market. As for now, it still remain bullish right here. We're gonna share with all of you if the market is going to tumble down. We're gonna share with all of you, and we need to share we need to guide you what you need to do next. For those who can short the market, you want to take the opportunity to short the market. So again right here, we want to share with you the hotline happening on the Tuesday right here, the cancellation of ECRL. That was really shocking, and some of them saying right here the cancellation of ECRL was necessary, say economists. And right here, there's a two company here get affected quite bad. HSSEB and Gabungan Aquarius stumble after the ECRL cancel. So I know some of you have these stocks right here. You need to know what to do with your stocks. Some of you managed to take your profits. Some of you did not manage to take your profits. So again, right here, I just want to share with you, this is part and parcel for trading and investing right here in stock market. Sometimes you win, sometimes you learn. Okay, so for those in HSCB, I hope that you managed to take your profit right here. That also for those who did not manage to take your profit, make sure that you have your risk management well taken care for today. I expected that HSCB is still going to have a selling pressure again for today. Okay, so what is news that we received right here? Okay, we received again a little bit news right here about the latest development news that we see right here. Oh, yeah. Let's talk about the DRB HiCom right here. Geely is one of the partner right here with Proton, and expected that is going to be boosting up the new sales with a brand new car that is combined together with Geely Boyu. Okay, so we want to see what exactly happened to DRB HiCom. Okay, now we want to go straight direct right here. Some of you asking me question. Okay, surely we're going to comment. So for those who have a question, so type later on. I'm going to look at your comments. So before we get started right here, let's have a look on Fred Time Newsletter. So S&P 500 for the market right here. S&P 500 breaks into a new historic high. Okay, so again right here is a very, very interesting to see what exactly happened to US market. And right here for local stock market right here, Sifu Fred is watching Harta Lega right here. It's a further buy with a target 7.70. Okay, for those, I believe Florence is saying morning is on. Sifu Fred said stocks to watch for Harta. Can go in now. Yes, based on this technical today early morning, you can watch Harta. You can also get into Harta today with the sell stop right here 6.85. Yes, it's Florence 6.85. So you have to look. Okay, there's a few things right here. Okay, so 6.85. Oh, sorry, I think this is Mr. Fred's talk about breakout. But here, Mr. Fred do guide some those who want to take the Harta trade for today. So I'm going to open Harta Lega chart for today. I believe the price is a little bit going up high, so that means Sifu Fred guide some of you to use 1-2 stop bar right here. So you need to know how to use the 1-2 stop bar. So if just in case if the price go down below, okay, Sifu Fred using 6.85. Okay, so Sifu Fred using 6.85 right here, guys. For your stop loss, for those who wish to, and also inside, this is your trailing stop for those who wish to try again today. So this area is 6.85 will be your nearest stop loss right here. Again, right here, we see a very interesting momentum on the Harta. So yes, it's Florence. You can have a look today on Harta. Okay, so what else right here that we see beside that? There's a news right here ongoing right now. Yesterday, there's a hot news about Donald Trump. Regarding on a former lawyer, and today we see that Donald Trump have a very huge pressure. Dow yesterday dropped because of there's something happened to the former lawyer Michael Cohen. This is what the world watching. There's something interesting. Probably the president will be involved in this thing. They're still investigating. If it is yes, they will predict as well the lost confidence on the new presidents of the United States of America. But anyway, it's still going to take some time. So we're going to look at the market. Market still remain for medium term still remain bullish. Okay, so yesterday there's a few points drop on the Dow. Okay, so right now the market is already open right here. Let's have a look. We already have the first signal right here. I'm going to talk shortly also about stocks to watch by Sifu Fred. So today QL still remain have momentum right here. Okay, so this is stock a little bit stable. Okay, as for now, these stocks continue going up high, gradually moving very steadily right here. So early morning we have a QL. Stocks already have signal. Okay, so in the meantime right here, we also going to have a look. Okay, so I'm going to activate first my. Okay, I'm going to activate a little bit my key panel right here so you guys can see. Okay, so the market is already open right here, 9 in the morning. For those who just joining me right here, once again, good morning right here. You joining me live right here. So today, Nina having a break for a while. She will be coming back again on Friday, but she was supporting as usual right here. So yesterday we have a several stock, but before we go to the top gainers right here, we want to come back again to stocks that is being watched under the radar of Sifu Fred. So Harta is one of it. Okay, so Lion In right here, Sifu Fred says stay aside for a while. For those who inside lion in, you can take profit. We expecting you take profit a little bit during a couple of days ago. Stay aside. There's a three black crow there. There's a three black crow formation that's been expected to have a further selling pressure right there on the lion in. But Seafood Fred recommend to watch a lion in at level of 0.95 until 0.99. We're going to see whether they're going to be a rebound candle. So Seafood Fresh suggests line in watch for buy on dip or buy on pullback. Okay, next one right here. This is comment a little bit on the our index. Seafood Fresh still believe that the market is still bullish. Okay, it's a running bottom. The target still remain at 1845, 1870, and 1896. So that is the historical high for our Kuala Lumpur Composite Index. So we are seeing that the market start to move, and right here that you guys can see the index is already moved above a 200 EMM. So we are welcoming back the bull, especially for the blue chip counter right here. Okay, so for those who still trading the FKLI, Seafood Fresh still remain long for the FKLI. Okay, with the sell stop right here, with the targets at 1845, 1875, 1900. Okay, so sell stop at 1787 or lower, or 1779 or lower. So you guys, for those who trading the futures Kuala Lumpur index, watch the Seafood Fred newsletter. So for the small cap right here, okay, so there's a little bit pullback. So we're going to see each of the TAD stocks. We know that several stocks is already rally up this couple of days. So you guys need to know how to actually take your profit. Okay, so learn how to take your profit and take opportunity to look at a pullback right here. So the small cap index, Seafood Fred's watching this index right here, still a hold. It's a slight pullback, now forming a little bit of flag. Okay, so right now, if you see a bigger picture right here, small cap index are creating a potential of rounding bottom. Okay, so for FCPO, still remain go long right here. As you guys know, the latest news on China, possible China right now. This agreement right here, as you guys can see, Tun Mahathir is visiting China, and they're gonna talk about they're going to be buying back again in a large volume for our palm oil, our crude palm oil. So there's possibility, that's the FN news. There's possibility that FCP price possible to go up. Those who trading the futures, it's time for you to have a look. Seafood Fred's do analysis right here. Remain go long. Okay, bullish on FCPO. So go long if the price go above 2261 or higher. Make sure your sell stop at 2235 or lower. The target is 2248. Okay, for those who, if the market go reverse, the downside target is 2065. Okay, so that is actually we see right here. Yesterday, Nina do have a look on the stocks that having a momentum yesterday. So I'm going to check right here. So this is the stocks is watched by Nina yesterday. We have IWCT, QES, Chrono, Renhill, Fajar, DRB, Highcom, Francam, and many more. Okay, so right here, let's have a look on the top gainers on the screen right here. You guys can see with the high volume today. MyEG, Hibiscus, Muda. We also see that the index right here, some of them playing index right here. So we want to see what exactly happening on the first 30 minutes after the holiday, whether our market can sustain. Again, right here, the market open. Let's have a look on the index today. The index up 3 points. Again, I'm saying that the market still remain bullish right here. It create a wonderful sentiment for our local index today. The FBM KLCI up. Okay, now let's have a look on the first stock for today, Hibiscus. In the meantime, right here, before we get started, I know some of you have a question right here. If you do have a stocks that you want me to have a look, go ahead, type there in the chat box so that I know that you're having several stocks, in your hand. So I wish to help you out what you need to do with your stocks. Okay, now we see right here, very interesting happen right here in the Hibiscus. As you guys can see right here, slowly but surely right here, Hibiscus is actually creating a potential rounding bottom. You guys can see right here. So you guys can see right now, the Hibiscus is creating, Yes, it's a triangle breakout right here. Very interesting. And it's right now moving towards the new high right here at 1.16. Okay, so right now, hibiscus right now, bullish is continue to try the next resistance, the nearest resistance you guys have to see. For those who in hibiscus, hibiscus is about to test 1.04 level of resistance right here. You guys can see this is the area that hibiscus is about to test. There's a breakout right here, rebound. So we want to see there's a high volume as well coming on since Monday after it's breaking out. So right now it's about to test the total resistance at 1.02. Those who in hibiscus remain hold for your stocks right now. If the hibiscus price right here, okay, if hibiscus can continue up, sorry guys. Okay, let's have a look right here. It's a projection right here for hibiscus. If the price can break out of 1.16 resistance right there, we're going to look at the height of these patterns right here, and we're going to anticipate for the next target for hibiscus is going to be in this area. Okay, so okay, 1.62. All right, that it will be the potential target for hibiscus if and only if it can break out the 1.16 resistance level right here. So we're gonna look at the nearest target if and only if the price can break in that level. We're gonna look at the next resistance right here, 1.35 and 1.46 for hibiscus. So for those who are inside hibiscus right here, it still remain bullish right here. For those who want to have a look, the trade hibiscus right here still not too bad. These stocks right here moving gradually nice, okay, going up high. I still remember these stocks right here. We managed to catch here at a very low price right here right now today. The price is already at at 99 cent and a half. Okay, so that is hibiscus early morning today. Have a strong volume. Again, right here at the top gainers today, one of the Sarawak counter right here, JTIASA right here, suddenly have a volume spike high. So let's see whether this is a new trending, a new changes in stocks right here. So this is a high for JTIASA, and this is the downtrend line. You guys can see right here. I'm drawing the downtrend line here. Okay, and then let's see for the medium terms right here. So it break the downtrend line. It's also breaking the trend line. As you guys can see as well, it's also about to test the gap area. It's already filled up the gap area. Something interesting cooking right here in JTIASA. Okay, so you guys can see here that these stocks right here is moving interestingly. We're still waiting for what is the news, but the chart show very interesting movement right here. So you guys can see there's a beautiful pattern here. It's almost running bottom here. So possible for a trend change. So it's putting this one under your watch of your baby bull watch list right now. There's a possible for a reversal or recovery on the JTIASA. Okay, so JTIASA, what they do, if you want to know what JTIASA do, let's see whether there's yes, there's a small shock here enter, but let me have a look what actually JTIASA did. For those who want to know what actually the company do, you actually can right click your share investor station right there, and you can have a look actually what kind of sectors actually JTIASA deal. Right here we see that JTIASA, the category. Okay, let's have a look first. Okay, what JTIASA did. Okay, I know this company is related to Sarawak company. It has also related with mining, plantation, and timber. Okay, so this is mostly on the forest products. Okay, category comparison, technical analysis. Okay, so this is the JTIASA. So this is the company background. You guys can see here. JTIASA is leading in a timber product producer in Malaysia. Okay, so they deal with timber in Sarawak. So that is the company deal with right now. But again, if we change this chart right here for short term right here, as a very interesting right here, the gap is already filled. The volume is coming up high. So very interesting. The gap is already filled for JTSA. Okay, gap filled up. So gap fill up is a very bullish thing right here. If the gap managed to be filled up, means the buyers that are coming in, is you see right here is almost like a rounding bottom right here. Very interesting for us to see JTS to put a part of one of the baby bull watch list right here. The next target right here we see is possible to go for 875 right here, my friend. 875. Okay, so there's still about upper room right here from this price to this part. Is another 12%. But again, right here is a very interesting thing right here. So I want to do medium term Fibonacci right here. There's so many level right here, but we believe that possible for it to recover. Okay, possible for it to recover before this JTSA ever touched the historic high of 5 ringgit. Very interesting. Okay, so there's a several of resistant area that we're gonna have a look right here. So for medium terms right here, I'm going to take from this side at least for 1 year. At least for 1 year, I want to have a look for medium terms outlook for JTSA right here. So we anticipate the price is also possible going to test the area of 97 cent. Okay, there's a confluence area right here. So we do not know what is actually cooking inside the JTSA, but very interesting. Now we change this template into TAD. Now let's have a look whether it's past this quality control of TAD. Yes, yes. You guys can see right here, JTSA have a total, a dark arrow up, ATM arrow up, and okay, dark ATM total, and today is the second day, is going up high. So today is a further buy. Volume is high. Those who want to trade JTSA, yes, you can have a look today on JTSA. Something is really cooking right here. Again, this is my new baby bull watch list. I'm going to add into my baby bull watch list JTSA. Okay, so what's the potential right here? 875. Another potential right here at 97. Let's have a look. What is the potential this to this area? About 27%. So we're going to look the next 2 weeks. Okay, for JTSA, very interesting right here. In Japanese candlestick, it's almost look like a 3 white soldier right here. So this 1, 2, 3 with volume right here high. Very interesting to have a look on JTSA today. Okay, so in the meantime right here, okay, I'm watching some of you already start to give a comment on the chat box right there. So it's good for me to have a look. Okay, so what else right here have early morning momentum today? Top active, Sapro Energy, FPFT. This is a penny stocks. MyEG. Okay, some of them is watching MyEG, but we've been watching MyEG for quite some time. So very there's a news last time. This like when the previous government changed into new government, we see that MyEG gap down for 1, 2, 3 times. Gap down, and suddenly volume spike, price gradually going up high. So there's a big news right here, possible for MyEG to become the provider for SST. So last time they used to deal with the GST, this time they're gonna deal with SST. So right here we are anticipating to see that MyEG possible to break up this total resistance. Again right here for medium term to short term right here, we remain bullish for MyEG. Okay, for those who inside MyEG, wish you the best. Okay, so what else we see right here on the top gainers? Early morning today, interesting about our Kuala Lumpur Composite Index. It went up to 6 point, very interesting. But again, right here, we want to see what happened the first 30 minutes for our local market. Okay, Kaylee right here, early morning today, have a reaction in the top gainers, something cooking in Kaylee. I still remember the stocks we used to finalize, we used to analyze back in Kota Kinabalu. Hopefully some of you remember that the stocks that we're watching. Now, you guys see right now, Kaylee remain bullish right here. It's about to test the nearest yearly high right here at 1.17. Let's have a look. Kaylee in a bigger picture. Kaylee in a bigger picture. I want to put it into the plain chart first. Kaylee into the bigger picture, guys. Look right here. Kaylee about to create, possible to create the most beautiful, largest rounding bottom right here. So If and only if the price can be break right here 1.47, that means Kelly is about to, based on technical analysis, is going to be a very interesting from medium to long term of Kelly. Okay, so right now Kelly is about to create bigger running bottom right here 1.47. I'm going to put that number as a part of my, okay, my alert. Okay, so oh, my maximum alert is already hit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do all alert. Okay, so I'm going to change this first, inactive. Okay, it's a lot of inactive right here. Okay, for those who want to know how to delete this all alert, watch back the video, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna come back again to Kelly right here. Any of you holding Kelly? If you're holding Kelly, congratulations, it's still going up high right here. Okay, so 1.13 right now is the price. I'm going to add alert 1.48. If the price can go up here, that means it's about to break out the historical high. So Kelly, you see, is look like recovering stock, creating a potential running momentum. Today it went up almost 11%. It's a light stocks right here. Again, you see the movement of Kelly. One thing right here that you have to put into concern is the Kelly have the movement of, you know, after you go up high, retrace for a while, up again, retrace for a while. Okay, as for now, you guys can see is moving within this ascending channel right here. Okay, so we anticipate that the price is going to test again right here. Possibly it's going to move around this ascending channel. But if the price can break out in this area right here, it's going to be very interesting for medium to long-term outlook for Kelly. Okay, as for now today, Kelly have a high volume. Okay, up 11% for today. Very interesting. Let's look again. What else? JTSI, some of them is watching it. Kelly's up. It's right now. Kelly, Warren, CIMB, Genetech. Today up about 11%. So let's have a look on the chart. The one thing about this chart is, okay, a little bit about this chart have a little bit unpredictable move right here. Genetech, if I'm not mistaken, used to be a very penny stock, but I think they did a price adjustment right here. I believe they deal with the construction. Okay, so today, you guys, based on this technical analysis right here, you guys can see that it's breakout. This is a gap up right here. The gap is quite big right here. So some of you, those who do not know how to play the gap right here, those who wish to trade gap right here, you make sure that you know how to put your stop loss at 1.42. Okay, for Genetech. As for now, I guess you guys can see right here, the things my concern is there's a lot of dot right here. So that means the stock is have a little bit chicken box right here. So means that there's a low trade right here. So today we don't want to say that this is going to be just flash in the pan. Okay, so only aggressive trader would like to take this trade with a stop loss is 1.42. Okay, as for now, very interesting thing right here at Genetech is already breakout the nearest rounding bottom right here. You guys can see. Okay, activate first. Okay, nothing much about these stocks right here, but again, the gap is very interesting. Aggressive trading, you like to take this gap, you like to take this gap trading right here with 1.42. So make sure that you know that you can withstand, you know, about 11% off your stop loss. Okay, so as for now, this stock have a momentum for early morning. Not recommend for conservative trader, only for aggressive trader. Public Bank up a little bit, Dealing Pub up a little bit right here. Top active right here, Sapra Energy. Okay, Sapra Energy have the high volume for today. Okay, let's have a look. Let's have a look. Oh, the chart still remains sideways. Nothing yet, nothing much, guys. So even though it's a high volume, but open your chart back, have a look right here. Guys, it's still moving within this box right here. So still sideways for Sapra Energy, not much yet. Not much yet. So if I want to have a look on if there's a changes right here, I'm going to look at Sapra Energy at least at 69 cents. Okay, so I'm going to put alert at 69 cents for Sapra Energy. For the time being, not yet. There's no big movement yet in the Sapra Energy, but today just high volume again today right here. So today I can wrap up the first 20 minutes. Our stock is still remain soft right here. Today value 50 minutes the market open. Today value is only 168 million turnover right here. You guys can see. Okay, volume today for the stocks turnover today is 293. After 20 minutes the market is open. The gainers today is 244. Very interesting. Meanwhile, it outperformed the losers counter 154. One thing worry me today, this one untraded unchanged still remain 4-digit right here, showing that the market still watching what exactly going to happen for your stocks right here. But good news right here, our local index up again 6 point. It's continuous bullishness. Hopefully right here it will create more impact towards our stocks. Later afternoon we're going to have a look. So today, if the volume today at 10 in the morning, it can surpass 500 million value of turnover. That's mean our market today is going to be interesting. Okay, so let's have a look right here. Casey say, okay, before we go through that, let's have a look right here. Chan say, eForce Warren entry price 50 cents. Please comment. Okay, so for those who want me to comment on your stocks, go ahead and type down the chat box. I'm going to help you to watch what kind of stock, and hopefully we can learn something today. Okay, so let's have a look on eForce Warren. So usually what we do, before we begin with TAD template, my favorite is actually always begin with the plain chart, okay, or the naked chart, where it's only price and volume right here. Okay, now you guys can see right here what happened to eForce. Now eForce is basically quite related to MyEG before this. Okay, they have a very interesting agreement between these two companies. Okay, so right now we see MyEG is recovering. It's almost the same that we see right here. eForce also recovering. For those who do not know what eForce deal with technology. You know that for those who know the CIMB platform, I believe is deal with CIMB deal with eForce, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, or either in end-to-end, but what I know is UOB Kane platform is using eForce. Okay, so right here, the comment a little bit right here for short terms. Okay, interesting thing is the eForce is about to fill up the gap right here, so that's the good thing. And you guys can see right here, one thing that make it interesting is as the price going up high, Chan, if you look at today right here, I believe it's Laura Chan, right? Is it today, Chan, that typing today? Is it you are the sis Laura Chan Siwang? Okay, so look right here. One thing I like here is the volume is gradually increased as the price going up high. So it's moved in tandem. I love that. So the question is right here for short terms. Let me change this to TAD template. It remained bullish right here. Now you enter at a price of 50 cents. So I'm going to put a mark here on 50 cents. I believe you just enter. Okay, you just enter. Okay, so the stocks right here, it moved gradually. It's almost like a 60-degree kind of movement. Okay, so I do not know what kind of your strategy. Are you a short term or are you medium term, Chan? If you're listening to me right now, I'm not sure whether you're trading this for short term or medium term. So what is the difference between short term? Short term means for those who trade less than 3 weeks. Okay, short term traders, usually you see less than 3 weeks. Meanwhile, those who in medium term trader, you usually watch the stock at 3 weeks to 3 months. Okay, so sis Chan, if you're listening to me right now, I'm not sure what is your trading objective. Are you short term traders or are you medium term traders, 3 weeks to 3 months? Can you just type there on the chat box so that I know, so I can give you a little bit idea here what kind of strategy that we need to prepare you. I do already your mark right here at 50 cents. You enter. Okay, so this is your entry price right here. As for now, short term right here, eForce Warren remain bullish. Follow the mother share. Okay, you have to see the mother share. Okay, mother share still remain bullish right here. Yes, so it's about to test the next total resistance right here at 78. So sis Laura Chan or Chan, I'm not sure which Chan. Okay, so if you listening to me right now, tell me what kind of strategy, what kind of objective of your trade. Are you considered short-term traders or are you medium-term traders? So if you're medium-term traders, I can give you a different opinion. But if you're short-term traders, less than 3 weeks, I still need to give you an opinion for that. So please reply. We come back again for that one. Again, right here, Chan also have a same comment right here. You would like me to have a look on your chrono as well. Okay, chrono. Okay, some of our trader put a very big sum right here for chrono. Ah, beautiful. Okay, today is about to test again. Ah, chrono, the momentum is still wonderful. Since Chan is entered 765. Let's have a look right here. 765. That is a good entry anyway. 765. So it's somewhere around here. Okay, I'm going to do marking there. That'll be your entry price. 765. Okay, so right now your chrono still remain bullish. Okay, again right here, Chan, I would like to know what is your strategy for chrono. Are you a medium term or short term traders? For medium term outlook here for chrono, very interesting. The stock is showing about to recover. It's already break out the descending channel. That's a good sign, and it's about to create a potential rounding bottom. So you guys can see right here, it's about to move to the right hand side right here. It's about to recover for chrono right here. Okay, so I'm going just to delete all this area for a while, so you guys can see a clear version of chrono. Okay, so medium term, the next resistance is about to test for chrono. Number that we're looking right here is about to test at Fibonacci of, okay, so it's about this area right here, 95 cents. So that's the next level that we have a look. There's the nearest resistance around here, around 85 cents. Okay, so you have to watch around this area as well, about 85 cents. Okay, so that's a Fibonacci of a 50%. And also we're going to look at a 1.28 right here. That will be the historic high for the nearest high for chrono. So we remain bullish right here for chrono. Any of you in chrono, the volume is quite high. Okay, so you see right here, chrono still remain bullish right here with your stop loss right here. We suggest your stop loss here, Chan, for chrono is at, okay, so you guys can see here, yes, even your system right here, if you have the template, it showed that below 675. Okay, that would be your stop loss. Okay, hope you are aware with that. Make sure that you put your stop loss here. As for now, the current support for your chrono is at 675. So that will be the area that you need to have a look, Chan, for your chrono. Okay, as for now, it still remain bullish right here. Chrono still have momentum. The Tuesday it breakout, volume is high. Today the momentum is continue. So yes, you can have a look on chrono. So Chan, you are looking only for a short term. Okay, for short term right here. So always know how to use the 1-2 stop bar. Okay, so let's begin again to look at your EFORCE. Okay, so EFORCE, if you're a short-term trader, I would like to recommend you, Chan, if you're listening to me today, I'd like you to have a look on this long candle right here. Okay, this long candle like a big column. Okay, Mr. Fred used to say that if you see the highway or the flyover, used to have a strong column to support the highway. So this is what he talked about, a very long candle here. So that will be the area that you can use for your stop loss. Okay, so that will be for your EFORCE market share. First, you see the price here, 64. But for okay, for the EFORCE Warrant, okay, it's highly recommend that you use this area right here. Okay, 3-5. Okay, 353, 350. Okay, so your stop loss is about 3. 35 cent. That will be the area that you're going to have a look. Okay, so that is suggested area. I think for me personally, technically, this is a good area for you to, to cut your losses at 35 cents. So Chan, if you look at this chart right here, 35 cent, okay, that will be your nearest. Again, it's up to your risk appetite. I also would like to give you a suggestion where the resistance turns to support, which is at the 39 cent and a half. Okay, you can use this area as well to cut your losses. Okay, since you're a short-term trader, and look for a buy on dip strategy again. So you can use this particular area for your short-term stop loss. Hope you're aware with that. Okay, if you study long-term, you don't have to look for this number, so you just use the channel, the support for this, or you can use this trend line, okay, for your support. As for now, you can use this two number. Okay, Chan, if you can see here, hope you are okay with this. Hopefully you can see this. Can you see this? This is for E-Force Warren. Nearest one, if you still want to cut loss, okay, I give you a suggestion right here where the nearest resistance turn into support right here. If the price pull back right here and it cross at this area right here, so you can use this to for your risk management, or you can use at this area here at 395. Okay, sorry, 355. Okay, sorry guys, I have to update this. The clear one is actually 355. Okay, so Chan, 355, that will be the nearest support for you. Hopefully you can see that. If yes, can you go ahead there and type in the chat box? So Chrono, so I'll give you two suggestions right here: 395, 39 cent and a half, 0.395, and 0.355. That will be among the suggested by me. Okay, this is based on a technical analysis right here. Yes, you can use in this area if you're short term. Okay, short-term trader. So you look for a buy on dip just in case. Okay, as for now, okay, now the question is, can you use 1-2 stop bar for E-Force Warren? Okay, you want to be slightly more precise right here. The question is, can you use 1-2 stop bar? Yes, you can do so, but there's so many 1-2 stop bar. Which one is more significant? Okay, so which one is more significant? For me, this is quite significant right here. It's from almost a spinning top right here. Okay, it's almost creating a spinning top right there. So you can use as well this area if you a little bit, not so risk adverse. Okay, you can use this area right here, 440. Okay, if price break in this area, you can use the level to buy on dip later on. Okay, as for now, your E-Force still remain okay. Okay, so you see it's taking rest for a while. Hopefully that this area can close the gap, Chan. I would like to see this E-Force to close at a 60 cent gap. Okay, if this gap can be filled, very interesting for E-Force. Okay, so let's have a look right there. For Casey, hi bro, Izon, can you comment on HOHAB? Possible to recover? Okay, I'm going to watch that one. HOHAB. Okay, I've been watching HOHAB for a couple of weeks already. Okay, so let's have a look on HOHAB. Okay, first, let's have a look here, Casey. We're going to study this together. Let's look at the biggest picture here since it was born. HOHAB ever go up to 3 ringgit and 77 cent? Okay, now let's have a look for a bigger trend. Well, you see, guys, what usually I do is I'm going to do overall analysis first. Okay, and right there, I'm going to zoom for slightly medium here, medium term to short terms. So far, still remain downtrend. Okay, the question is it possible to recover? Okay, Casey, look here. I'm drawing the trend line right here, so you guys can see that it's about to test one of the strongest for the short-term trend. Okay, I'm going to double click for a while. Okay, so okay, I'm going to make it tick a bit. Okay, And then let's zoom a little bit here, Casey, from this point right here, from this angle right here. Yes, it's already break out this short-term trend. Okay, very interesting case for HOHAB. Okay, now look here on the early of the year, the 2017 early of the year, somewhere around April. Okay, last year. Okay, last year, the volume it went as this high. Okay, but again, the volume did not manage to push high on HOHAB, and again it repeat again on the June, and after that it remained silent for a while. And right now, let's zoom a little bit here. Volume start to gradually up for short terms. Okay, it's going up here. Now, if you see right here, HOHAB have a very different kind of movement. It's a little bit erratic kind of candle. Means after they push up high, okay, you see, sometimes a stock is just that we need to see the character. Okay, you see, after you push up, okay, let me use this. Okay, let me activate this one first. Okay, so you see, Casey, you see, after you push it up, they bring it down again. After they push it up again, after they bring it down again. Okay, so you see this kind of character right here. Usually the good stock, they have a very wonderful character. Okay, but here after they push up, you know, it pull back for a while and push up again, it dump for a while, push up, now is retraced. So you can see here, for those who trade in HOHAB, okay, you always expect, you know, very moody. It's unpredictable. Okay, so if this one can turn into like a human emotion, okay, you can see it's more like erratic movement. But anyway, it moved within these triangle patterns right here. Okay, so this is what we see currently right now. So the question is, would you like to trade, and is it recovery stocks right here? Yes. Okay, it's look like about to recover. Why? Because it's already break this downtrend right here, very interesting, and it's also breaking out the previous resistance right here. So possible for a trend change that we can see right here in HOHAB. And also based on the chart pattern right here, that we see there's almost a running bottom right here. Okay, it touched, okay, it touched twice in this area right here. So double bottom confirm right here, and it's about to recover. Plus we see that the volume gradually high. So Casey, you're right that this stock is possible to you know, to recover. Now the question is, you would like to enter at what price here? 50 cents, risk 25%. Okay, we're going to study this together, Casey. Okay, and then you make your decision. Okay, I'll do my best right here to give you the analysis right here. Okay, now you see right here that from this angle up to this point right here. So if I use the zigzag here, zigzag that I have, the template, okay, so you can see that, yeah, it moved something like this. So it went up high. So this is the lowest. This is more significant low and high. So I like to use this area to do a Fibonacci retracement. Okay. All right. So let's have a look. Okay. Now, the funny thing about HOHAB is, after you went up high in this area, the volume went up high. If you see just after this area here, after the volume high, then suddenly you see that it's a less player here, less player. And today, early morning, HOHAB only have one unit, one lot transacted. It can show that this market mover right here, they try to push the HOHAB to go up high, but right after July, it's fizzled out. Means less attraction right here. So, but again, right here, still support within this this area right here. I can say that the best time for you to look at HOHAB when the price can break out in this area. So break out the triangle area. Okay, but I have two concerns right here, Casey. If you see here, the erratic movement that's number one. Number two is so quick. It's so quick, it's fizzled out. Supposed to be a good stock, it has to have a very healthy continuity of buying and selling, buying, selling. But you look here, really, really, today is only one transaction, really less popular right now. Still no push yet. If you wish to enter at 50 cent, yes, you can go ahead. I'm a little bit concerned right here. It's possible to go sideways right now for Hoham. If you still want to trade, you can do the trade, but I would like you to have a look if the price can go above 54 cent. Okay. What I expect here to see in the Hoham is actually I want to see more healthy volume and to see more healthy patterns right here. As for now, the chart patterns even is still, still consolidating right now. It's still moving in the sideways. And look at the volume here. It's so quick. It's fizzled out. It can show that it's possible to go for sideways for quite some time. So, Casey, hope that want to help you out. If I would like to have a look on it, I will look at the 54 cent. But again, right here, no right, no wrong. Okay, if you still wish to enter the 50 cent, you have to wish you wish to have a risk. How many percent? 25%. 25%. Okay, 25%. So yeah, that's mean you can use the bottom as your stop loss. Okay, Casey. Now I would like to ask you a question here. Is it you already enter or not yet? Oh, you already enter. Enter at 50 cents. Okay. So okay, I can say that you are big, you have a big patience, you have a big heart. That means you can hold this stock for the next 3 weeks to 3 months. Okay. Stick and hold. The question is, yes, it's stick and hold. Yes. The question is, I would love this whole hub right here to, to settle with a better patterns. I don't like to see this volume right here is too quick fizzle out. Okay, so this is my concern right here. So it can sideways for quite some times, but possible it can recover, for medium to long term. But again, right here, Casey, if you're listening to me right now, early morning today, what is your objective to trade whole hub? Are you wish to hold this for medium terms, like 3 months, or you wish to hold this for 1 year? That's my question right now. What is your objective to trade in whole hub? You wish to hold it for quite some times? If yes, then you are okay. Yeah, you can still hold. If you wish to hold this for the next 6 months, I think it should be no problem. Okay, it should be no problem right here. So tell me, share with me, type down the chat box so that I know. Okay, right here, who else right here have a question? Medium-term trader for HOHAB. Okay, so medium-term traders, that's mean you like to hold this for the next 3 weeks to 3 months. I'm afraid that the next 2 weeks to 3 months, I still predict that this is based on my analysis right here, Casey. I think HOHAB might be continuous sideways for the next 3 weeks to 3 months. Okay, so if you wish to visit again, I would like you to visit again at a 54 cents. So it's up to you. Okay, so maybe you want to switch. Okay, so medium term, yes. You see, right now today is August. We talk about September, October. Possible for it's to continue sideways. So it's up to you. Maybe if it can break 54 cents, I would like to visit again for HOHAB. Okay, so as for now, yes, it's a trend change, but it takes some time to go up. Okay, so it depends on the strategy, Casey. So I would like to look at again at 54 cents. Okay, so I hope that want to help you out. Okay, let's have a look here. Menji Ong says Suzy Terra. The question is, how about Willow, sir? Okay, so say Suzy, I'm not sure whether you already inside Willow. Okay, if you inside Willow, then that will help you out. But let me have a look right here. Willow. Okay. Oh, look at that. Okay, very quick look here. Okay, so see Suzy, if you watch it, I hope that you not in yet. Okay, what I can see here. Okay, those who watching this, tell me, what do you see right here? Is it the trend is uptrend, sideways, or downtrend for Willow? What do you guys see the pattern right here in Willow? See Suzy, you watch this chart right here, learn something here today. What do you see the patterns of Willow? If I turn it into zigzag, maybe you can see it a bit better. Okay, so what kind of pattern that you see here in Willow. Sideways. So you know what does it mean, right? Sideways. It could remain sideways. And also, see Susie, you have to look here, the volume traded here. For me, any volume that less traded than 4,000 kind of volume, uh, Sifu Fred like to see at least the volume go at least 7 to 10,000. For him, that will be a bit healthy. But look here, it's a bit sideways, and it can be sideways for quite some time. So if you ask me honestly, Willow, I will stay aside. Okay, so see Susie, stay aside for Willow for now. Okay, if you wish to look at Willow, you can have a look at the price of 66 cents. Okay, but again, the chart movement is also not that really beautiful compared to other stocks. Okay, so see Suzy, Meng OG. Okay, you can stay aside for a while. Okay, so Casey say, okay, thanks, Royzon, you're welcome. Veron say, is Lion in considered buy-and dip stocks? Okay, surely we're going to have a look on that one. Who else right here have a comment? Okay. Let's have a look. Okay, so already done with this Chan. Okay, Melvin Tay say comment on GCAN. Okay, surely we're gonna have a look on that one. So let's have a look again right here what we have. Okay, so see whether Sifu have any comment right here. Okay, so let's have a look right here. I am going to have a look on your stocks line in. Okay, so Veron. It's been some times. Okay, Veron. Okay, so Lion in. Okay, so is it considered buy-and dip? So again, remember Sifu said he's watching this carefully. Oh yes, beautiful. But. Okay, a very interesting area. You see, it's rebounded here. Okay, so now it's almost forming bullish piercing line. Okay, sorry, line chart. Okay, so it's forming a bullish piercing line. Okay, now the question is it considered buy-and dip? Not yet. It's only for aggressive trader. Not yet. Why? I would like to look at the volume as well. So now it's just a technical rebound right here. In terms of Japanese candlestick, Veron, okay, the good news is it can be a standby mode right here. The candle, look at the bull candle managed to penetrate half of the body of the red candle. Very interesting case right here. So this is a bullish piercing line. Okay, so I like to zoom a little bit here so you can see, Veron. Hopefully you can see right now here. So this is line in, the 50% of the body right here is managed to be penetrated from today's candle. The volume coming in, that's a good sign, but we need the volume to be slightly higher. That'll be good. Okay, and you see right here that when is the exact time to enter Lion in. If you ask me personally, I would like to see it go above this area, 1.16. Okay, 1.16 Veron. Okay, I would like to see the price go here. So this is a good start, or this is a good test right here. But for those who conservative, okay, conservative, wait until 1.16. Why? In Japanese candlestick, that will be your confirmation. If the price can go above 1.16, it will be formed instead of a bullish piercing line. Instead of bullish piercing line, we like it to see it turns to be bullish engulfing. Okay, I like it to be coupled towards this towards afternoon. I like to see the volume also can beat the previous day. That show that the buying or the bull start to coming back. Okay, so Veron, we are watching this closely. I'm going to put the alert right here at 1.16 or 1.17. That will be great. Okay, so Lion in right now is only a technical rebound. Aggressive trader only. Okay, Veron, aggressive trader only already start to take this trade right here. Yes, it's true. It's jumped 6%. No problem. But right now, for conservative trader, not yet, not yet. Sometimes it can go up like that, and right after that, it can fizzle out for a while. So, but interesting case right here that we see in Lion in is, you guys see here. I want to draw this, okay? Very interesting case right here. So it went up right here, and after that it retraced for a while at this area, and after that, look at that, it really up. So from this level right here, okay, from this level right here, Seafood Forever would like to look at the price of 95 cents. So we do a bigger feeble right here, and we do a short-term feeble right here, this area to this area here. Okay, so we would like to look at the same right here at 90 cent and a half here. So this is the zone that we're interested to look for buying on dip. As for now, not yet. Okay, not yet, not yet. Okay, so even right now the volume is just a technical rebound. Okay, this is for those who would like to have a quick trade, 3 to 5%, and they get out. Okay, so Veron, if you watching it right now, I would like to go for 1.16 and above. Not for now, if you're not aggressive yet. So it's just a technical, just a simple technical rebound. It's not confirmed yet. It's still not strong yet. 955, 96. That will be the nice area for us to have a look. Still inside the watch list. Okay, so not yet, not now. So Kevin, Melvin Tay. Melvin Tay, yes, I believe that you listening us right now from Kuching. How are you, brother Melvin? So comment on GCAN. Melvin, can I know what is your entry price for your GCAN? If you can tell me, I'll be very, very happy if you can tell me. Okay, so, whoa. Okay, if you see right here, GCAN, ooh, look at that. Gap down, very, very big gap down right there, but high volume. People expect that the traders expect that it's going to recover. Okay, so right here, is it going to be a game changer for GCAN? Okay, very interesting. I would like to have a look here at the price of 160 at this resistance right here for GCAN. Okay, as for now, it's remained sideways at this moment, my friend. Not much yet, nothing much. Okay, so you look here, it's already moved more than 3 weeks already. Okay, moved 3 weeks already. So I can say that GCAN still looking for, bought on the flag breakout. I want to see which kind of flag breakout. Can you tell me the price? Okay, now let's have 1.44. Okay, so that will be your entry price. Thank you so much. I missed out that one. 1.44. Okay, that will be your entry. Okay, as for now, Melvin, if you're listening to me right now, okay, so look here, you can see the price from this bottom right here. I would like to give you a little bit tips, hopefully that you can capture what I'm about to say here. So you see here, there's a little bit gap here. Okay, so this is considered your strong support. Okay, now 1.29. Okay, this area actually consider strong support. Why? Because remember, gap can become your support as well. Gap up can become your support. One thing here is it tested the support, but after that it climbed back up. After that, climbed back up again. So right now, 1.29 still consider your strong support, and it's tested here also at 1.26. Okay, so that will be another nearest support for you. Okay, 1.26. Okay, 1.26 long here after it rejected here in this area, Melvin. You can see. Now, what I'm going to do here, Melvin, is going to be very interesting. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put another layout here, which is the Fibonacci here. Again, you see here that around this area, 1.26, 1.22 here, it does contain 61.8%. Usually, when the price go below than this, Melvin, it can tell that it's getting weaker. Okay, it's getting weaker or less attractive already for GCAN. So I can say right now, as for now, you can hold. Okay, so I will suggest you there's a 3 area that you can cut loss here. Fully depends on your trading strategy. Okay, so I give you 3 area. 1.22, 1.26. Since you enter at 1.43, Melvin, your risk exposure is about 12, 14. Okay, so it's about 10, 12, maximum up to 14-15%. So Melvin, what is your risk appetite? Can you handle 12, 14 to 15%? Can you handle up to 15%? If yes, then you can take 1.22 as your last call. Okay, 1.29 is the nearest, 1.26 not too bad. But if you think that you can handle 1.22, that will be the best. Okay, so Melvin, can you comment a little bit on the chat box? So hopefully that one help you out. You still can hold this for a while. Okay, so you see right now is pull back a little bit. Okay, pull back a little bit. So 1.22. Okay. All right. So Nicole, I have a question. Is on how about mass steel? Also technical rebound like Lion in? Okay. Let me have a look. Okay. Melvin say thanks Sifu. Oh, don't call me Sifu. Sifu is only Mr. Fred. Okay. So brother Melvin, yes. Okay, you're welcome. No problem. If I get a chance to go to Kuching, we can enjoy our lobster laksa again for next time. Okay, so Nicole, how about mass steel? Mass steel. Okay, so mass steel. I gotta tell you that hopefully this is Malaysian steel. So we want to see hopefully that the news about the ECRL is not going to affect it to any of our construction steel, whatever kind of stocks that related to ECRL. As for now, only several stocks get hit. Several company very angry about this cancellation, especially the Chinese giant company that deal with this project. Okay, right now, Nicole, what I see right here. Exactly, you are right. Is almost have the same patterns as just like the Lion in. Okay, just like the Lion in. Okay, so again, the volume here, you are correct. Okay, Nicole, you did a good job there. Okay, so I would like to see that at least the candle can go above this area. So we want to see that at least the candle can go above 785. So I'm going to put this alert. Okay, 785. Okay, that's the number that we're looking for. So you see it went up and it retraced right here. We like to see a strong candle right here to rebound. So let's have a look based on the stochastic here. Not yet. Okay, so went up high. So there's still a lot of room right here to go for the discount right here. So again, the area that we're looking for master is around 69 cent. Another golden area right here, we look at a 6345. So I'm going to put an alert here just in case the price go deep in that area. Okay, I want to have a look on that one. So you're correct, Nicole. Not yet. Only for aggressive trader right now. So must still have just a technical rebound, but still not so strong yet. So you see there's a little window here, but this window not so nice. So gap, we call it gap. Japanese call it window. Okay, so not yet for Mastil. It's just a technical rebound. But the interesting case right here, Nicole, if you can see that the volume is slowly, about to overtake the day of yesterday. So I just want to put the marking here just in case the volume managed to go more than that. So I want to put the number here, 62859. Okay, so hopefully the volume can go more than that. Okay, equals or greater than. Okay, sorry to put a marking there. So Nicole, you are correct. It's not a time yet. Not a time yet. It's only for aggressive trader. So you see the price is also quite supported well in this area. So touch 1 time, 2 time, 3, 4. So at 69 cent here is a very interesting area here to have a look. That will be a little bit interesting to buy on dip. We will see that day, during the day, if the day come. Okay, so at a 61.8% also, this is not an area that I'm looking for. So Nicole, you're correct. So Nicole, if that one help you out, just go ahead and type on the chat box. Hopefully that one help you out. Okay, guys. Wow, I'm going to do a quick recap right here. The time is already 10 o'clock. Let's have a look what exactly happened to our Kuala Lumpur Composite Index. So again, right here, just to do a quick recap, Kuala Lumpur Composite Index up about 7 points. The value traded today, very soft. It's only 380 million. But the good news is our index is moving up higher, about to test the next resistance right here. You guys can see at 1812. If this level can be break, we are welcome for further bullish mode right here, and to see index to test at 1896 or 1895, the next high. Okay, so let's have a look right here at a bigger picture. What is the, yes, that will be the most interesting number, 189. Malaysia are watching that number. Okay, so our index so far so good, very interesting. uh let's have a look right here on the top gainers. Leading right here, JTSR up today 6.71%. As I told you guys early in the morning, it suddenly fall under my baby bull watch list. They deal with the timber, but I looked at the volume is getting interesting. Let's have a look today. Who else is actually see here? There's still no big shock yet, but the volume is nice today, 67.1% controlled by the buyers right here today. The queue so far is quite healthy. You guys can see right here, the small shock right here is already enter. Okay, line in, second high volume for today. Technical rebound 5.66, only meant for aggressive trader. Meanwhile, the Kaylee Warren, Kaylee is also up. Kaylee is about to create a bigger potential of rounding bottom. Blue chip stock today, MBank up 2.50, Genetech up to 13.29%. Only my concern, this stock is a little bit have erratic movement. IHH, after affected by Turkish lira, today just gained a little bit. Public Bank today contributed towards the index movement, up 0.3. Top Glove today up 1.71%. Supermax up on 1.9. Just entered to the ranking today. YNH prop. Whoop, why suddenly is coming? Let's have a look. Enter to our list today. Okay, and shortly I will do a big quick scan. Oh, this candle not so beautiful. So don't touch this candle. Don't touch this kind of stocks. Look, if I see something like this, candle too close with one another, this is not my favorite stocks anyway. So not necessarily up is good. Always come back to your chart, look at it. Delium up today about 5.85. I want to have a look a little bit on the stocks right here today. Okay. Oh, okay. So it's a breakout. Not too bad. But the chart is a little bit erratic movement right here. Not so beautiful movement. You see again, I like to see a beautiful pattern of a stock. So you see this one a little bit erratic movement. After go up, after it went up, come down right there. Not my favorite kind of stocks. Okay. LSOF right here. Okay. So LSOF right here. Interesting right here. LSOF breakout again for today. Total breakout right here. So very interesting. Let's have a look at a bigger picture of LSOF. Okay, today LSOF officially creating the record high. The record high of its stocks. Okay, today LSOF created the new record high. So, okay, that means what? If you see at the top, no more resistance. The sky is the limit. But we can do a little bit of prediction right here to see where's the next level for LSOF right here. So you see a little bit almost like a rounding pattern here. Okay, so that will be the height of LSOF here. So possible it will go through the next target right here at what, 371. Okay, 3 ringgit and 70. Okay, for LSOF today. Total Atom DAX right here, showing a very interesting move. So LSOF today achieved a record high. Okay, today we see a turtle signal right here. You guys can see here. Whoa, breakout volume slowly increased right here, gradually up. Okay, so yep. For those who taking this trade, you must know how to handle 1-2 stop bar. Okay, so that's for LSOF. The rest, I can see the price is not yet above 4,000 level right here. Let's have a look on the top active today. MyEG, Sapra Energy, Bond Oil. Nothing much today. Market still remains soft. So again, right here, beside that, I also want to share What else that I see this couple of days right here? Okay, Press Berhad. This is what is exactly I see this car. I just done with in KK study groups right here, so I just want to share my technical comment a little bit on the Press Berhad right here. Just put into your watch list as well. Right here, last week it has an inverted head and shoulder. It has total atom duct breakout, so we have a short-term technical target of 1.46 and 1.60 right here. The gap here. Okay, so nearest stop loss at 1.12. Very interesting. Volume is gradually increased. For short-term trader, this is your idea of your technical trading. Meanwhile, for the slightly medium-term outlook for Press Berhad right here, I would like everybody to look at 1.60 or 1.70 level here. If the price can break out this area right here, we are looking for a medium technical target at 2.36. Okay, for Press Berhad. So look here. This is the we call it the descending channel right here. You can break out here. Interesting case for Press Berhad. So Press Berhad, don't forget to look here at one of your stocks in your watch list. Okay, QS, a new IPO. Still not many data for us to have a look, but right now I have a technical target of 325. So they still have an upper room right here. Again, QS is only for aggressive trader right here. Okay, Persona. Yes, I want to put this one on the watch list. This is for those who want to see a baby bull. Okay, so guys, put this one on your watch list. Persona baby bull. Okay, it's only for aggressive trader as well. This is a penny stock, cheap stocks. Okay, it's only meant for aggressive trader. But what I see right here, there's a volume spike. Very interesting case. Total atom duct happened on last week, last Friday. TP1 remained at 36 cents, TP2 at 40 cents, TP3 at 425. So there's still a couple of upper room right here for Persona. Right now, the nearest stop loss is remained at 0.255. Again, your risk exposure here about 11%. Okay, so right now, for those who want to put Persona under your watch list, go ahead. But again, this is only for aggressive trader. Okay, those who are willing to take a bigger risk. Right now, EG as well, volume spikes since June, price creating a higher high and a higher low, possible for rounding bottom. So my technical target TP1 at 77 cent and a half right here. Nearest stop loss at 575 and 545. So this is remain for aggressive trader. EG you can put into your watch list as well. Unisem, I'm looking for a pullback. Okay, definitely I'm looking for a pullback. 2.65 to 280. Okay, we're going to have a look what happened. Right now is moving around this ascending channel right here. Again, there's an opportunity for Unisem because it's about to create a potential nice running bottom. So very interesting to look at Unisem. So nearest target right here, 3.24, 3.68, 425. Dufu, for those who already inside Dufu, it's time for you to take profit. It went almost 90 degrees. Use 1.89 as your trailing stop. Okay, so for those who in Dufu, congratulations, 56% already your ROI. Okay, so UCTech, guys, look at 3.47 to be break. Okay, with the technical target 4.74. If UCTech can break out, nice running bottom breakout. Okay, so again, right here for those who are listening today, hopefully that we get a chance to tell you what some hot news right here. Okay, so long-term UCTech here is a 5.07. Okay, just add a little bit more long-term view right here for UCTech. Oh, okay, we have a MyEG alert right here. Interesting case. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, so it's about to test already. The next resistance right here for MyEG. Okay, so again, MyEG is in short term, we still remain bullish. For those who want to have a look for medium terms right here, yes, you can have a look short term to medium term for MyEG. Okay, so as for now, MyEG have a fundamental news. They probably take over for the SST collection by helping the government. Okay, so as for now, that's have a total breakout right there. Okay, let's come back again to this technical analysis right here Oka, just break out the descending channel right here. Put into your watch list. This one is possible. Another baby bull stocks here with a 4 targets right here: 1.43 and 1.53, 1.64, 1.97. Okay, so this is a possible target. So we're expecting that this is possible to create potential rounding bottom. As for now, it's already breaking out this descending channel. So that is a good sign. Total atom dot buy signals already appear. Put Oka into your watch list. Okay, now before we come into an end right here, okay, yes, two stocks that we watch, Asia and Tambun as well for buy on dip, put into your watch list, especially Tambun right here, guys. Tambun, you have to look into your watch list. I hope that some of you still have Tambun. Okay, now I would like to share with you a little bit news right here. There's some pre-announcement here, unofficial, but we're going to share with you something interesting is going to happen on September. So this is the pre-announcement. It's unofficial, not official yet. For those who are listening us right here, we are looking for a lot of big things right here. And on behalf of F1 Academy and TED team right here, we have something interesting to announce. This is just a pre-announcement. This is an unofficial, okay? But we're going to share with you. We're going to have the TED Futures is going to be soon launching on September. This is unofficial news. Once it's official, we're going to share with you guys. Get ready to make money. It's time for you to step up your game. Instead of trading stock, it's time for you to trade the futures, okay? So we're going to come up with a brand new program. It's called TAD Futures. It's going to be another brand new program, okay? So this is pre-announcement only that we want to share with you. Again, right here, this is for those who are ready to step up your game, okay? Those who want to take a bigger profit, bigger risk, want to change game. And for those who want to make money either up or down, we would like to welcome you on the TED Futures. Okay, now, just a quick announcement right here. TED Futures is divided into 3 sections right here. We have TED Futures Bursa Derivative, we have TED Futures MetaTrader 4, and we have TED Futures Premier System. Okay, so this is just a pre-announcement. So TFB, TED Futures Bursa Derivative, for those who want to trade futures crude palm oil, FCPO, futures Kuala Lumpur Index, FKLI, we're going to have this program where you can trade, okay? For those who, I'm talking about those who want to trade daily, you have a support daily. You're going to see where you're going to go. So you trade alongside with the pro trader. Yes, you're not necessary to join the PCFT or 3 months course. I'm talking about for those who want to trade seriously in FCPO and FKLI. So TED Futures Bursa Derivative will be new features right here, okay? So for those who want to join this program right here, you can join this program upcoming. So again, right here, I'm very excited to share with you that one of our traders right here, Darren, last time he made almost 800,000. So within 1 day. So hopefully that this will be impact you as well. So I would like to congratulate Darren Chan as well, because he managed to turn 300,000 to 3 million within the 2 months by trading FKLI and FCPO. So this is one of the great trading trade record. Okay, yeah. For those who want to trade alongside, we will open this program very soon. TED Futures Bursa Derivative upcoming to your door right here. For those who want to join this program, you will get a premium analysis every day. You learn how to make money both up and down. I believe FCPO, trade FCPO is Sharia for those who concerned. I believe FCPO is Sharia, you can trade. Okay, only FKLI is not Sharia. But again, right here, we'd like to welcome everybody right here. For those who would like to trade, whether the market up or down, get ready to step up your game right here. TED Futures Bursa Derivative is also provide you a full technical support, is a high quality trading signal. You also provided with the online e-learning support, is a premium Telegram support. Okay, now for those who interested to join, this is a pre-announcement only. For those who want to join this program, okay, the program, you can subscribe this program. We're charging actually for 799 ringgit per month. For right now, for those who interested, this is unofficial news. You can subscribe to this program for only 399 ringgit only per month. This is a trial version. For those who are interested, I want you to jump in, join here. You straight away go into, it's all about trade and making money. If you see our pro trader right here will give you the signal. If you go for buy, you just join. If give you a stop loss, you just follow. Right here, this program right here, TED Futures Bursa Derivative or TED Futures program is focused only on one thing: maximize your profit and minimize your loss. It's all about making a serious income right here. So those who are interested to join the TED Futures Bursa Derivative, you can subscribe to the trial versions. We're going to tell you when we're going to open this, but right now you can join as low as only 399 ringgit per month. Arfan says, sign me up. How Casey say, I'm interested. Okay, so this is another new things right here that we're about to announce to you all right? So every day you get the support, okay? Those who want to join in, this is about to wait for you here. FKLI, FCPO, every day you get your program right here. So as low as $3.99 per month. Next program right here, we like to announce you TFM, the TED Futures MetaTrader 4. Learn how to trade Forex indices, CFD, and commodities. TFM is another exciting program right here in the TED Futures. For those who want to trade Forex indices, CFD, you can join this program right here. And we anticipate that this program right here is going to be big, because why? We not only have a friends from Malaysia trade together with you guys, but we have a friend from Singapore, Thailand, Philippines, Vietnam, and all the Southeast Asia will be joining this program as well. So this program right here for TED Futures, we have all the teams right here watching the market 24 hours. Yes, Shift ABC 24 hours, providing you a very powerful technical analysis, providing you a high powerful quality trading signal. All you need to do, just follow the signal. Okay, just follow the signal. Okay, so our mission right here, we want you to be part of this mission, my friend. For MetaTrader 4, TED Futures MetaTrader 4, this is our next mission for the next 5 years. This program right here, we would like to guide the first 5,000 traders turning $1,000 to your first $10,000. So this is our mission for the next 5 years. Beginning 2018 until the next 5 years, we want to guide as many traders as we can, but our target is 5,000 traders achieve the profit or manage to turn $1,000 to $10,000. So this is our new movement right here. Okay, and then also the next 5 years, we also would like to guide the first, from these 5,000 traders right here, we like to guide the first 1,000 trader that can turn $10,000 to $100,000. Okay, and the next 5 years right here, we also would like to guide the first 100 traders right here to turn 100,000 to 1 million. Guys, if you're listening to me right now, this is a very, very big program. And if we want to invite those who are very, very serious to be part of this program right here, I would like you to join and sign up the MetaTrader 4, TED Futures MetaTrader 4. And we want you to be part of this program. There will be a people to guide you. You have your progress, you have your follow-up report card every week. We want to guide you how you can turn $1,000 to $10,000, and from $10,000 you turn into $100,000, and $100,000 to $1 million. Now we talk about in US dollar and not in ringgit Malaysia. Okay, so whatever you see amount right here is all in US dollar. So this is a big movement right here. We're inviting all the best and the pro traders to trade alongside with you guys. So for those who want to be part of this project right here, join the TED Futures MetaTrader 4 right here. Every day you get a premium analysis daily. You will learn how to make money whether market up or down. You learn how to trade the best foreign exchange pair. You also will be guided how to trade the Dow, the S&P 500, all the indices. You also be guided how to trade the CFD, US and UK stocks, and also how to trade the golds right here. Now, uh, because this program is involved international, those who want to join this program, you have to make sure that you understand that all the rate right here will be in US dollar. Right now, for those who want to sign up this package right here, our price is $399 per month. For those who want to join this package right here, you can join at the price only $99 per month. How many of you would like to join this program? Just type there on the chat box. I want to have a look. Right here, TED Futures MetaTrader 4 is a big movement right here. For those who want to join this program right here, $99 only per month. You can join this program right here, serious program right here. You get a premium analysis every single day. You get to know when is to buy, when to sell. You just follow. You just take the number and put it there and just follow. And we have our team right here to check on your report card, your progress. We want you to progress. We want you to be part of this movement right here. We want to see how you can turn $1,000 to $10,000. So for those who want to sign up this package right here, on the 1st September right here, there's a trial version that you can join right here. It's only $99 per month. I want you to grab it on the September before the price go back to $399. Okay, so $99 per month is a very, very, very cheap program right here. It's very affordable. It's right now it's about you. So we anticipate 5 countries will be joined alongside with you as well: Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, Philippines, and Indonesia. Okay, so that TFM MetaTrader 4. Okay, last but not least right here, TED Futures Premier System coming soon, the best copy trade system. We're not going to share with you more about this because this is only a coming soon program. I would like you to focus on the first 2 program right here. You can trade under Bursa Derivative, or you can trade MetaTrader 4. You can choose which package that you want. Okay, so this is going to be something interesting upcoming this September right here. And for the TED Futures Premier System, let me give you a hint for a while. Okay, so TED Futures Premier System is the new version of our program. We're not launching this yet, still coming soon. But we're going to share with you that this is going to be the best copy trade system ever. For the past 1 year, we've been doing this study for the TED Futures Premier System right here with all our team. And we just want to share with you that why we do this. Okay, why TED Futures Premier? It is because that we see, we listen, we understand, and we want to help you. Okay, especially ladies right here. I know some of you, you are your wife, you are, you work, sometimes you have your day job, you have your part-time job, you have your children's, you have your business, you have to clean the house. But sometimes also I know that you want to trade the market when you have the time. So that's why you join some of the packages right here. So even a guy right here, I know some of you busy sometimes doing your work. Sometimes you can see, you can trade alongside when we give you a signal, that is good. But somehow rather that we think that around 2 in the morning or 3 in the morning, because the market open 24 hours, sometimes you may be missing some of the important signal, or maybe you're attending some of big event. Sometimes you miss out, some of the big signal. So right here, we want to help for those who, want to join, be part of this program right here. Again, I'm telling you, this program is not for everyone. Of course, there's a risk as well under this program, but this program is going to be among the best copy trade ever. So what you do right here in this Premier System, first, you open your trading account with us under Premier System. And what you do is, what we're going to do is you're going to link your system right here with our traders. Okay, so our traders, while our traders is trading for themselves, what you do is actually you link with their system as if like you copy their trade. So while you're sleeping, or while you're doing your business, or while you at your job, you still have your trading account right here, but you link to our system right here with our Pro Trader system here, and you will copy the way how we trade. If we go into this pair, your system will copy the same. Okay, if we enter, certain forex pair, your system will copy the same. So this is more like a copy trade system. Now, this program right here is important for you because our system right here, our team is trading 24 hours. Okay, we combine both a manual trade and we combine also with Natron technology, which involve a very highly sophisticated uh, algorithm and expert advisors. So this is a very, very interesting program. Now, I just want to share with you some of the results that we have here. Okay, so this is the recent results that we have a manual trade combined together with the Natron technology. Now we start with $5,000 right here. To date result after 1 month plus, $5,000 capital have turned into 11,452. That's mean the profit that make right here is about $6,095 here. So when the time is good, you will get about 129% ROI. This is the result for 1 and 2 weeks, okay? 1 month and 2 weeks right here. So again, the market can change up to time, so we don't guarantee you all this ROI. Again, right here, this trading result may be vary every month. Sometimes you maybe only get 20%. Sometimes you only maybe get 30% ROI. Sometimes the money is good, you get high. So we don't guarantee here. Again, right here, this is a very high risk, a very high volatile trade as well. Only put the money that you're willing to lose. So under TED Futures Premier system right here, okay, for those who like to plug into our system here, if you wish to be part of this program right here, we'd like to share with you that we have a good news for you. You can be part of this TED Futures Premier by plugging into our system, and our management fee or the premium fee is only 30% from all your growth. Okay, so say for example, if you make out of 129% here of your ROI, okay, 30% will go back to our R&D and research, okay, to go to our R&D, research and development, management, okay, and other management fee. So 30% will be taking only based on your growth, yeah, only based on your growth. Meanwhile, the balance will be your profit, and you can take this profit anytime. So again, right here, TED Futures Premier is not launching yet. Once we launch, we'll let you know. The question is, how many of you would like to be part of this program? Okay, so yes, I think this is a very interesting program. Okay, so TED Futures Premier system. Okay, so this is not launching yet. Once it launch, we want to help you out so that while you're doing your work, while you're busy, at least you have some system right here continue helping you out to make money for you so that you can achieve your financial dream goal that you wish. So TED Futures Premier systems also will be launched very soon. We're not sure whether it's going to be September or October, not yet, but we can tell you that the TED Futures MetaTrader 4 and TED Futures Bursa derivative is going to be launched on September. So guys, actually we're excited right here. Want to share with you all this. Actually, in fact, all the teams right here, we are so excited. So that next 5 years, we want to see who actually will be part of this very big project right here. We want to see how actually you change, your income right here. So we are doing the best right here. So for those who want to be part of this program right here, don't forget to join our program right here, the TED Futures. This will be the next game changer right here, where we focus on your future dreams right here. So once again, everybody, that's a pre-announcement. That is an official announcement. I know some of you excited already. Okay, so on behalf of F1 Academy right here now, time is already 10:30 right here. So on behalf of F1 Academy and TED team right here, I want to say thank you very much for joining the live trade session right here. And for those who want to join the TED Futures program, we will share with you latest announcement in the group. So once again, everybody, my name is Ezan Constantine. Once again, thank you very much for joining me, and we hope to see you again on next week's program. Bye, guys.